everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing really well today and are full of energy. What? Oh, you're feeling really tired. I totally get it. I struggle a lot with fatigue too. You find it difficult to eat a breakfast that actually gives you energy that lasts throughout the day? Well, that actually depends a lot on the foods you choose. There are certain foods that have lots of nutrients and will give you lots of energy, that will make you feel awake and super energetic for the rest of the day. And then there's others, that will make you have that mid-morning sugar crash and you're just left with cravings. But today, we want energy! So I'm going to show you 3 meal recipes that's going to make you feel absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. So the first recipe we're going to do is the Chia bowl. So what ingredients do you need? Some nuts, any type of berries, unsweetened almond milk, a little bit of shredded coconut or coconut flakes, some chia seeds. So for the Chia bowl, this is actually the easiest and quickest recipe to make. So it's really good to do this during the week. So we're going to take 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you have a measuring spoon, that's even better. Here we go. So now we're going to take a measuring cup and we're going to measure about 5 ounces or 150 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk. We're going to pour this into your bowl. So now we're going to mix it up. So you can also put this in a mason jar so you can take it on the go. And what you're going to do is now put it in the refrigerator and keep it there all night long. Like that in the morning, you just have to take it out and just finish the little preparations and it's ready in like 2 minutes. So now we're going to put a little bit of coconut in here, a few nuts. Here I used cashew nuts and pecans, but you can use walnuts, whatever you like. And then I had a few blackberries, so I'm going to put a few of these in here. But you can also use blueberries, raspberries. So with the Chia bowl, we're going to make a special healing drink and very energizing. So what do we need? So you're going to need some collagen and some raw cacao powder. We're going to use 2 scoops of collagen, but if you're a vegetarian, it's not a problem. You don't need to put this in there. And then we're going to put 2 scoops of raw cacao powder. Okay, put a little bit more. I love this stuff. And then we're going to end up putting some hot water. You can also add some almond milk if you like it. I just like it plain, but can get creative, put coconut milk. There we go. Okay, as I said, you don't need to use the collagen, but if you do decide to use it, try to get hydrolyzed because it's easier for your body to absorb the protein. And collagen is good for your bones, your skin and nails and hair, and it helps repair your muscle mass and repair the body. I started using it when I got autoimmune issues, and it really helped me to heal my body. Or not, you just use some raw cacao powder, not cocoa powder, okay, because cocoa powder is filled with sugar and it's really processed. So try to get some raw cacao powder because it's filled with magnesium, potassium, and iron, and it helps have more energy, to be more focused, better mental performances, and just gives you this big boost for the rest of the day. So the second recipe is a healthy omelette. So what are you going to need? Some spinach leaves, some mushroom, red pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, and of course, 2 eggs. So you're going to put your pan on medium heat, and then you're going to add a little bit of olive oil, and then you're going to open up the eggs. 2. So now we're gonna make a smoothie. So we're gonna use 1 banana, 1 avocado, some matcha powder, some spinach leaves, unsweetened almond milk, and a little ginger powder. So we're gonna have 1 banana. It has lots of potassium, so this is great to have energy. Okay, and then we're gonna take an avocado that we're gonna open up, and the avocado actually has lots of antioxidants, and it's good for the heart and for the brain. Ooh, this one looks great. Look at that color. That's the only annoying part with avocados. I love them, but you have such a huge chance of getting one that's already like too late or it's too soon, so that drives me nuts. We're gonna put a handful of spinach. Lots of dark leafy greens. That really helps me actually when I get enough dark leafy greens to not have so much brain fog. And I like to add a little bit of ginger powder or fresh ginger if I have some on hand. My favorite, matcha powder. So I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon. So this has 10 times more antioxidants than normal green tea. So this is awesome. Okay, yes, it's a big spoon. Here we go. And what I like about it is that it also helps you be not so stressed, but at the same time it gives you this long-lasting energy throughout the day, so matcha is definitely awesome to have. And then all we need is a little bit unsweetened almond milk, or you can put coconut milk, or if you also want, you can put some ice cubes in there if you like it cold. So I just pour a little bit, I don't even measure. And then we're going to blend. So for the last meal, we're gonna make this big healthy breakfast. And what you'll need is plantain, an avocado, some nuts, some extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice, 1 egg, and some sea salt, and some spinach. So now for the third meal, we're gonna start with the plantain to make plantain chips, which I really love. And then with it, we're gonna make some avocado sauce and a few other things. But let's start with this because it'll take a little bit longer. So I preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, so about 390 degrees in Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna put them in here for about 20 minutes, but then depending on your oven, just look when it starts getting a little bit golden brown, and then they're ready, and a little bit crispy. So now I'm just gonna make this avocado sauce to go with the plantain chips. I'm just using some avocado with a little bit of lemon juice and sea salt, but if you like any spices, you can always add them really fast. So to go with our egg and the plantain chips and avocado, we're just gonna make a little miso soup, a very basic one. We want it to be quick and easy. So all we need is some miso paste and some seaweed you can have, or some kombu like I have, or some wakame. So here we're going to take 1 teaspoon of miso paste, organic if you can have some. I'm just going to sit this in here. And then I'm going to take my seaweed. Just going to take a pair of scissors, it'll be easier to just chop it up. Before I put it in here, I rinsed it because there's a lot of excess salt, so I took that off. And then I'm just going to add some hot water. And then I'm going to mix. So you can try and see if there's enough miso paste. You can always add some afterwards. And I love to have this in the morning because it adds some natural probiotics. So there you have it. You've seen free meal ideas that you can have for breakfast to give you lots of energy that will last throughout the day. And if you have any recipes of your own or breakfast ideas that gives you a lot of energy, please share in the comments. It might help other people to feel better as well. So if you like this video, press on the thumbs up button. And if you want to see some more content like this, press on that subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video today and have a really energetic day. Bye!